Hi students, we were going through the exercise of grammar worksheet and we have completed the exercise based on helping verbs. The next exercise is based on pronouns. So dear students, now first we'll see what is pronoun. Pronoun means sarvanoun. Words that we use instead of nouns are called pronouns. Words that we use instead of nouns are called pronouns. It's a word that replaces the name of a person or object. That means it's a word that replaces the name of a person or object. In another way, we can say a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. सर्वनाम के प्रयोग संज्ञा की जगह पर किया जाता है. Do you know what is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. That takes the place of a noun. Do you know which are the common pronouns? I, me, you, him, she, her, we, us, they, them, it, this, that, etc. Now we will see the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be in the first person, second person and third person. First person, they refer to the person speaking. They refer to the person speaking. That means जो बोलने वाला. Which are the first persons? I, me, we, us. I, me, we, us. For example, may we have some more juice, please? Here, who is speaking? We. Next, second person. They refer to the person being spoken to. They refer to the person being spoken to. That means जो सुनने वाला. जो सुनने वाला. They refer to the person being spoken to. Which is the second person? You. For example, this sweater looks like it would fit you. This sweater looks like it would fit you. Next, third person. They refer to the person being spoken of. They refer to the person being spoken of. That means जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Which are the third persons? He, she, them, they, it. See, third person, they refer to the person being spoken of. He, she, them, they, it. For example, they will attend the conference. They will attend the conference. Next, we will see some examples. Please look at the first one. Dhruv cut a slice of cake. Dhruv put the cake on a plate and ate the cake. In this sentence, we can see the repetition of some nouns. Dhruv, cake. These nouns are repeating again and again. So to avoid this repetition, what we have to do? We have to write the pronoun. We have to write the pronoun of the noun. Please look at the second sentence. Dhruv cut a slice of cake. He put it on a plate and ate it. Here the word he is used in place of the noun Dhruv. Here the word he is used in place of the noun Dhruv. Also, the word it is used to place the noun of cake. He put it on a plate and ate it. Dear students, we can see some more examples. Sudhir promised that Sudhir would come to my house. In this sentence, we can see the noun Sudhir is repeating. So to avoid this repetition, what we have to do? We have to write the pronoun of the noun Sudhir. What is that? Sudhir promised that he would come to my house. Next, Mary is good girl. Mary is my best friend. Mary's father was in London. Here we can see the noun Mary is repeating again and again. So to avoid this repetition, what we have to do? We have to use the pronoun of the noun Mary. What is that? She. Mary is a good girl. She is my best friend. Her father was in London. Here we used the pronoun of the noun Mary, that is she. Dear students, why do we use this pronoun? To avoid the unnecessary repetition, also to make the sentence easier and shorter to read. To make the sentence easier and shorter to read, also to avoid the unnecessary repetition, we use pronouns. Dear students, I hope you all have understood what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that replaces the noun. Next we will see possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. That means किसी का ऊपर अपना अधिकार या पोजीशन दिखाते हैं. So possessive pronouns shows the belongingness or possession. For example, this pen is mine, not yours. This is my laptop, it's mine. These glasses are mine, not yours. This is my brother's book, it's his. He offered to swap his camera for hers. I will show you your room. Ours is next door. The house is yours. The ship is theirs. Dear students, when we go through these examples, we can see the possession or ownership. So, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs, all these are possessive pronouns. So, mine, that is used both for male and female gender. Yours, that is also used both male and female gender. His, that is only used for male gender. Next, hers, that is only for female gender. Then, ours, that is used for both male and female gender. Next, yours, that is also used for both male and female gender. Then, theirs, that is used for male, female and neuter gender. Dear students, please open your grammar book on page number 61. Grammar book, page number 61. There we can see about possessive pronoun. A pronoun used to show ownership or possession is called possessive pronoun. Mine, his, hers, theirs and yours are possessive pronouns. Another example, the water bottle is mine. The lunch box is hers. Dear students, please look at these examples. I know William wrote this. The handwriting is his. I bought this dress for you. It's yours to keep. Lila earned this money. It's hers to enjoy. If you have not brought your tiffin, you can share mine. Yes, we have new neighbors. This car is theirs. I won these medals for athletics. They are mine. Then, I have lost my eraser. Can I borrow yours? So, which are the possessive pronouns here? His, yours, hers, mine, theirs, yours. Dear students, I hope you all have understood this. Have a nice day. Thank you.